In a bustling city filled with dreams and despair, a homeless man named Charlie finds himself in the wrong place at the right time, witnessing a millionaire's life hanging by a thread. With adrenaline pumping through his veins, Charlie dashes across the street to aid the fallen millionaire, fueled by an instinct that defies his circumstances. As sirens wail in the distance, Charlie stands by, feeling the weight of the moment, unaware that this act of bravery would change both their lives forever. Days later, in a hospital room filled with soft light, the millionaire and Charlie meet again, sparking a friendship that neither of them could have ever anticipated. At a charity gala hosted by the millionaire, Charlie stands proudly by his side, transformed from a stranger into a symbol of hope and change. In that moment, as their hands meet, a new initiative is born dedicated to providing support and opportunities for those without homes, changing lives one story at a time. Months later, Charlie stands in front of a group at the community center, transformed into a leader and advocate, inspiring others to believe in the possibility of change. Charlie's vision blossoms into reality as he establishes a community garden, turning neglected space into a vibrant hub of growth, connection, and sustainability. At a lively gathering in the garden, Charlie addresses the community, celebrating their achievements and the bonds forged through shared effort and determination. With laughter echoing through the air, children learn the basics of gardening, nurturing not just plants, but also friendships and community spirit. As the seasons change, the garden thrives, becoming a cherished sanctuary where dreams take root and lives intertwine, a lasting legacy of hope and resilience. Inspired by the success of the garden, Charlie takes on a new challenge, rallying volunteers to expand their green space, uniting the community in a shared mission. The garden transforms into a lively marketplace where neighbors come together to celebrate local produce and creativity, building stronger ties within the community. With a new sign marking their achievement, Charlie and his team reflect on their journey, united by the belief that together they can sow seeds of change. Charlie takes on the role of mentor, guiding the next generation with workshops that blend gardening skills with valuable life lessons, nurturing both plants and dreams.